So, folks, have you ever seen a casket on a truck before? Or do you think that's street theater? Is that street theater, or is that real? I just had to get a video, because if you're targeted, you know the shit that they do, right? So has anybody ever seen a casket on a tow truck before? And then again, with the bright ass lights on the tow truck, right? Is that street theater, or is that fucking real? I'm 55 years old, right? And I have never once seen a fucking casket on a tow truck. Not one time. In my entire fucking life. So, I don't know. You guys will have to be the judge of that one. A motherfucking casket on a tow truck. That's a new one, man. That's a new one.